guys, it's Connor for Coliwood Studios here, and we are here with another Jersey Devil update. Now, first, I want to give a big shout out to Brian for getting this footage for us. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. But let's dig into what we see here. So, as you guys can see, all elements are completed up to the 0G roll, meaning that the turnaround, nicknamed the Crow's Nest, and the 0G roll both have been completed, as you can see from this picture he took right here. I'm very, very happy to see the construction moving along so well, especially considering that the coronavirus pandemic is going on right now. I'm not exactly sure if they're still working on the coaster. I'm not sure if this was done before the non-essential construction was halted, but maybe they're immune to it because it's a new coaster and it needs to be constructed. I'm not exactly sure what the exact requirements are, but chances are this ride might be moving along even with the construction halt. So I'm not 100% sure, like I said. I'm hoping that this is the case, that it's not halted. That way we can see it open on opening day for Great Adventure, whenever that is. But otherwise, that's about it for this video. Be sure you tap the I button in the top right hand corner to check out the Coaster Spots construction update that's premiering today as well. He has some drone footage that came out really, really nice. I highly suggest that you guys go check that video out after you watch this video. And if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends if you're excited for Jersey Devil Coaster. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.